present here, and my dear friends. I am Mridul Sachdeva, a student of the Gurukul School, and I welcome you all today on behalf of the Gurukul family. Today we all are here to celebrate Van Mahotsav Week, celebrated annually in the first week of July to spread awareness about caring for our environment and saving trees. Now I invite my friend Jagrat to continue.
A very cheerful morning to all of you. I, Jagrit from class 9th A, will tell you about trees. Trees are of great and invaluable importance to our environment and to human beings. They give us air to breathe, shade, food to humans, animals, and birds. They provide habitats for various species of flora and fauna. Also, firewood for cooking and heating, materials for building, and places of spiritual, cultural, and recreational importance. Due to the occasion of Van Mahotsav, we are gathered here to celebrate it. Van Mahotsav is celebrated in India from 1st July to 7th July. Now my friend Alisha will throw some more light on it.
Thank you, Jagrit, for your invaluable opinion. So now, I must tell you that all of our actions, all of our voices throw an indelible impact on our environment. The biggest threat to our environment is believing that someone is going to save the earth. We have to step up, we have to take the initiative, we have to become that someone. We here in Gurukul family have taken multiple initiatives that marched us towards a green future. Some of the notable initiatives are beach plants. They were distributed to all the parents who attended our functions, and we also distributed saplings that the parents can plant. Thank you. Now Tanveer would enlighten you.
प्रकृति जीवनदायिनी है। प्रकृति में भी वृक्षों और वनों का बहुत महत्व है। वन हमें वर्षा देते हैं, प्राकृतिक पदार्थ देते हैं, लकड़ी, कोयला, गोंद एवं कागज आदि देते हैं। हमारी पशु राशि को सुरक्षित करते हैं। वनों से धरती का कटना समाप्त होता है, बाढ़ें रुकती है तथा भूमि की उपजाऊ शक्ति बनी रहती है। वन हर प्रकार से मानव जीवन का संरक्षण करते हैं। वनों का सबसे महत्वपूर्ण कार्य है वर्षा लाना, बाढ़ रोकना और वातावरण को शुद्ध करना। वृक्ष जल के वेग को रोककर बाढ़ नियंत्रण करते हैं। वन भूमि को मरुस्थल बनने से रोकते हैं। वह नमी को सोखकर धरती की निचली परत तक पहुंचा देते हैं, जिससे भूमि की उपजाऊ शक्ति भी बनी रहती है। वनों के अभाव में धरती के ऊसर बनने का खतरा बना रहता है। वन अत्यधिक मात्रा से ऑक्सीजन छोड़ते हैं। इसी ऑक्सीजन के द्वारा हमारा जीवन चलता है। प्राण वायु के स्रोत वन ही है। आज नगरों में जो बढ़ते हुए प्रदूषण की स्थिति है, वह वनों को रोकने से ही ठीक हो सकती है। वनों से हमारी पशु राशि भी सुरक्षित रहती है। यदि ये वन न होते तो न जाने कितने ही जीवों की जातियां समाप्त हो जाए। ये सच्चे जीवनदायक है। नाउ माय फ्रेंड विल कंटिन्यू।
Greetings everyone, I'm Spal Sharma from class 9th B, and today I'm going to throw the light on a topic, excessive cutting of trees. So as we know, in the past 100 years, humans have prospered a lot, and this has led to an increase in the population of the humans. Now this population needs a place to live, they need food to eat. So to get these, they are cutting forests and making the homes and stuff there. But what the cost of this? The landslides, the reduce in the carbon dioxide and increase in carbon dioxide and reduction of oxygen. So now I'd like Bhumi to conclude.
So to conclude, I would like to say thank you everyone for your patience and attention. In the end, as they say, hug the trees, save the bees. Don't be a tease. Help the environment. Please, please, please. Thank you.